how to use your Flipdish Restaurant Management System app, or RMS app for short, with your Flipdish point of sale. The Flipdish RMS app allows you to update and track all your tasks, incidents, appliance temperature profiles and service profiles, take stock, track wastage, and create purchase orders, helping you stay on top of managing your business and stay compliant with your region's food safety regulatory bodies' requirements. You can download the Flipdish RMS app on your tablet device from the Google Play or Apple App Store. You will require a subscription to our food safety module, which may be included with your point of sale plan. You will also need an Android or iOS tablet device. This is not compatible with phone or laptop. You will then need to download the Flipdish RMS app and have it installed, and the Flipdish activations team will need to activate the app the first time you use it. Simply follow the instructions on the screen of your tablet when you open the app for the first time. You will be shown phone numbers and a unique installation ID, which you will need to give to our activations team. Once you've been activated, open the Flipdish RMS app. Log in using the same PIN you enter on your Flipdish point of sale. In the top half of the page, you will see a tasks pie chart, an appliance temperature pie chart, a stock temperature pie chart, and appliance services pie chart. In the bottom half of the page, you will see stock temperatures, where you can log temperatures for individual items. You will also be able to see appliance temperatures, where you can log the temperature of appliances. You'll be able to see stock labels, where you can print expiry, allergy, and nutrition labels. And you'll be able to see tasks, where you can see all the tasks filtered by status, and you can update the status of these tasks as they are completed. If you swipe from right to left, you will also see incidents, where you can log any incident report by pressing create in the top right corner and completing the form and pressing save. You'll be able to see build plans, where you can decide which items need to be prepared for usage. You'll be able to see a wastage section, where you can add the amount of wastage for an individual product. You'll be able to see purchase orders, where you can create new purchase orders for the stock you're running low on. You will see a stock taking section, where you can take stock of items bi-weekly, daily, monthly, or weekly. You'll see a settings section, where you can configure your label printer settings. You'll be able to see a compliance report section, where you can examine compliance reports from a date range of your choosing. You'll also be able to see an appliance service section, where you can see a list of your appliance's service history. And finally, a logout button. To learn more about your Flipdish point of sale, go to help.flipdish.com or contact us on help@flipdish.com. Thanks for watching.